Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and practicing nicely after watching the videos carefully. The best way to use my videos is watch the video 2 to 3 times and then try the questions yourself. Pick up any book, take questions from there and practice them. Right? So today we start with a new chapter, that is linear equations in two variables, which is very easy and interesting also. So let us focus on the basic points of the chapter first. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equation is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c, they belong to R. R here means real numbers, means a, b and c can be natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, rational numbers, irrational numbers, anything, right? And a should not be 0 and b should not be equal to 0. Then only we can say that this is a linear equation in two variables x and y. Example, 2x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 4x plus y is equal to minus 7, etc. Note, in the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, if a is equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, then this equation reduces to by plus c is equal to 0. So it will be reduced to linear equation in one variable, that is y. Similarly, if a is not equal to 0 but b is equal to 0, then this equation would reduce to ax plus c is equal to 0. Means it becomes a linear equation in one variable x. So it does not remain a linear equation in two variables. So that for that purpose, neither a should be 0 nor b should be 0. Now, what is the solution of a linear equation? It is that value of the variable which makes both the sides of the equation equal. For example, if I have an equation x plus 5y is equal to 5, here if we put x is equal to 0 then and y is equal to 1, then both the sides will be equal. Here also I will have 5 and here also I will have 5, right? When I solve it, if I put it in left hand side, 0 plus 5 into 1 is equal to 5, that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, 0, 1 is the solution. Also, if x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0, that is also right, because if I put these two values in left hand side, I get 5 plus 5 into 0 is equal to 5 plus 0, which is equal to 5, and that is right hand side. Therefore, 5, 0 is also the solution of given equation. Let's take one more example. If I put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1 upon 5, then left hand side will be 4 plus 5 into 1 upon 5. 5 and 5 will cancel. And I have 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. That is again equal to right hand side. That means we have got one more solution for the given equation. Right? So what does it mean? That we can keep on finding more solutions like this. So we can say that it will have infinitely many solutions. So always remember, when a single linear equation in two variables is given to you, how many solutions does it have? It has infinitely many solutions. Whereas a linear equation in one variable, if I am taking x plus 5 is equal to 7, right? This is in one variable. If I solve it, I will get only one value of x. Otherwise also you see, here this will become 7 if and only if x is equal to 2. So that means a linear equation in one variable has one solution, but a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Note, the best and convenient solution for equation in two variables are of the form x comma 0 and 0 comma y. Right? This you should remember, because whenever we have to find solutions, once you take one variable 0, next time you take the other variable 0. Solve following linear equations in one variable. So let us revise this quickly. X plus 5 is equal to 2 times x minus 5. How to solve? X plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 10, which implies 2x minus x is equal to 5 plus 10. That means x is equal to 15. Next example, 5 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 7. Here this 3 is without variable, so we take it on the other side, and we have 5. 5 upon 2 x is equal to 1 upon 7 minus 3, which implies 5x upon 2 is equal to 1 minus 21 upon 7, implies 5x upon 2 is equal to minus 20 upon 7. So therefore x will be equal to minus 20 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. On cancellation we find x is equal to minus 8 upon 7. Now the question that can be asked in the exam on the basis of linear equations, they are as follows. First is, express the given equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. The first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now when I notice and compare it to this, it is not of that form. So I have to bring this 5 on this side to reduce this equation in this form. On comparing with general equation of the linear equation in two variables, I can say a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 5. Take one more example. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So bring all the things on one side. So you have minus 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Compare it with this. You get a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 7. Let's take this form of the equation. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is missing. Then what to do? I want to change this in this form. So what will I do? I will write 0 times x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is of this form, so I can easily compare. Coefficient of x, here is a and here it is 0. That means a is equal to 0. And here b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Mind you that you are not going to put variables when you are writing the values of a, b and c. Only numeric values are to be taken. Yet another form of equation can be taken as 5 is equal to 2x. Then how to reduce it? I can express this as 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now y term is missing, but I can introduce it easily like this here. Minus 2x, I can do this way also. Minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, which gives me minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. And on comparing it to this, I get a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 0, 5, c is equal to 5. Another way is this, that I have taken this 5 on the other side and I am having 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is this form. Now I can do the comparison. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 5. Okay, let's take one more example. 2x minus 7y is equal to 5.7 bar. So I bring this on this side, I get this form, and now on comparing with the general form, I have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 5.7 bar. Next type of question that can be asked in the exam is check whether 0, 2, that means ordered pair 0, 2 is solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. In that case, what you have to do, you just substitute the value of x as 0 and y as 2 in this left hand side and check whether it is equal to right hand side or not. So on putting this value, I get here 0 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4, is equal to minus 4, right, which is not equal to right hand side. Therefore 0 comma minus 2 0 comma 2 is not the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Next question, check whether x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 is the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Again you put these two values in the left hand side. So we get 4 minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4, and that is equal to right hand side. This implies that 4 comma 0 is the solution of the given equation. Let's take one more part. Check whether x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2 is the solution of this. Let's see. Put the values. We get root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, which is equal to root 2 minus 8 root 2. That means this is equal to minus 7 root 2, which is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you.